How to cancel Shopify subscription and get a refund. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and request a refund. Whether you're closing your store or switching platforms, I'll walk you through the steps. So let's get started. First, go to shopify.com and log into your account. Make sure you're logged into the admin panel of the store you want to close. This is where you'll manage your subscription details and initiate the cancellation. Once inside your store's admin panel, navigate to the Settings option on the bottom left corner. From here, click on Billing to see all your payment details and subscription info. Scroll down to the Cancel Subscription or Close Store option. Before doing this, Shopify will remind you that all your data, products, and store content will be deleted once you close the store. If you're sure, click on Close Store and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Now, about the refund, Shopify generally does not offer automatic refunds once you cancel, but you can request one by contacting Shopify support. Head to the help center and reach out to customer service. Explain the reason for your cancellation and ask for a refund. They may or may not provide it depending on your billing cycle and usage. And that's how you cancel your Shopify subscription and try to get a refund. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.